Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones SteelSeries Artis 3 with a cable. And all you need to have is just a cable what you receive in the package. It looks like this. And of course your phone or your device should have mini jack port also. Now, right here at the left ear cup we have main cable jack, so it goes like this, and you need to connect this cable right at this port, and the mini jack cable you need to connect to your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.